All right, Scott from MyGrowthRings.com here along with Lysol. Step in my sister Lysol. And we are here to do the 9,999 subscriber giveaway. We had, I don't even know how many people sent us their name and address to go into the prize pinata, but we've cut these into strips, and why don't we just start stuffing those in. And
do you want to fold it?
You go ahead and do it. While you're doing that,
You want to fold it?
I just jam them in there.
Just jam.
While she's doing that, just a reminder, we're going to draw 10 names from those names to receive a $10 gift card from Subway because I'm subbing you back. Joke. It's a joke, son.
Yeah, that's a joke, son. Don't you get it?
And everyone who put their name in the hat is getting a My Growth Rings 9,999 subscriber sticker. I want to show you too, as a test, I stuck one of these stickers on a ceramic mug and ran it through the dishwasher. So that went through a full cycle. It was supposed to be waterproof, and it is. It's a nice...
Looks like you had it glazed on there.
It does look like that.
Part of the mug.
All right, so without any further ado...
You're not shaking it. You got to shake
I
it
know,
with your hand.
well... Okay.
Like that.
We're grabbing 10 names out of here. Go ahead and let's get it started.
Do I read it or you want to read it?
You read it because you can pronounce names better.
Uh-oh. Paul Coburn.
Where's Paul from?
He is from West Virginia.
All right, so there's one.
Are you raising it higher?
I'm counting. Yes, I am.
Okay.
Go. There's one.
I can't cheat. Alex Decker.
Where's he from?
Louisville, Texas.
Texas. All right. Wait. You can't put that back in
Well,
here.
what if this? We'll do the next one deeper because what if this person would have won? And
Fine. Okay.
Robert Stratton.
3. You're welcome, Robert.
Out of Littleton, Colorado.
You're welcome, Robert. I was going to have her put that back. Here, read. It's where our folks live. Number 4
is John Clark from Kansas.
Talk this way. I don't even know if they can hear you. John Clark from Kansas.
From Kansas.
All right. Here's number 5.
Stick it back in there. John H. Rice from Parachute, Colorado.
John Rice, big supporter of the channel.
5.
Good job, John. Reach in there. Here's number 6.
David Braden
Sorry,
from Las Vegas. David Braden
David.
from Las Vegas, Nevada.
All right. Lost wages. It was just there.
Lisa Kennedy.
No.
No, it's not.
She actually put her name. I didn't realize she registered, and so there's a chance that she's not going to win. All right.
Ricky
From
Relaford from Ohio.
All right.
What's the name?
So that's 7.
Can you read the name?
Montpierre.
Montpierre.
That's 7. Okay, keep going. Almost done.
Where are the women?
Comes 8. I don't know. I guess they're in there.
Says just one.
Oh, there's 2.
There's 2. Do we get them both?
No. That's...
Okay, Stephen Tillison from San Diego, California.
Okay, that was 8.
You're counting? 1, 2, 3,
Thought I was counting.
6, 7, 8.
8. All right, here, 2 more.
Kevin Ritter from Seneca, Missouri.
Women now make up 3% of the channel's subscribers or viewers? Viewers, I think. So there's a chance. There's a chance.
Louis Parcell, Holland, Michigan.
All right. Well, there we go. Again, everybody who's in here is going to get a sticker or 2. I don't know what my wife is planning on doing with the stickers. I know she's not going to want them around, so. And do I want to say anything else about that? You know, if you're seeing this and you didn't realize we were doing the drawing, we'll go ahead and leave that open. There'll be a link down below. You can put your name in the hat to receive a sticker. You're going to get one if you give us your name and address. And we'll wrap that up in about a week. In the meantime, make it a great day. Thanks, sis.